transitive verbs example sentences. Verbs that require a direct object to complete their meaning. Examples: build, they build houses. Eat, she eats breakfast. Buy, I bought a car. Read, he reads books. Throw, throw the ball. Open, open the door. Close, close the window. Break, break the glass. Fix, fix the chair. Paint, paint the wall. Catch, catch the train. Grab, grab the keys. Kick, kick the ball. Write, write a letter. Sing, sing a song. Teach, teach the lesson. Bring, bring the food. Borrow, borrow the book. Lend, lend me money. Pick, pick the flowers. Help, help your friend. Wash, wash the dishes. Drive, drive the car. Drink, drink the water. Eat, eat the apple. Carry, carry the bag. Cut, cut the paper. Arrange, arrange the chairs. Send, send the email. Take, take the bus. Hit, hit the nail. Beat, beat the drum. Solve, solve the puzzle. Check, check the report. Plant, plant the tree. Mow, mow the lawn. Choose, choose the answer. Dig, dig the hole. Pull, pull the rope. Push, push the cart. Build, build a bridge. Send, send the letter. Answer, answer the question. Open, open the book. Cover, cover the pot. Raise, raise your hand. Find, find the key. Fill, fill the bottle. Invite, invite your friends. Show, show the picture. Deliver, deliver the package. Design, design a logo. Fold, fold the clothes. Copy, copy the document. Explain, explain the rules. Form, form a group. Wrap, wrap the gift. Serve, serve the food. Arrange, arrange the flowers. Guide, guide the tourists. Light, light the candle. Mix, mix the ingredients. Repair, repair the bike. Answer, answer the phone. Select, select the option. Deliver, deliver the message. Lock, lock the gate. Test, test the device. Collect, collect the stamps. Draw, draw the picture. Measure, measure the distance. Rent, rent an apartment. Sell, sell the house. Teach, teach the children. Hide, hide the money. Throw, throw the ball. Taste, taste the soup. Touch, touch the screen. Catch, catch the thief. Control, control the robot. Cut, cut the grass. Discover, discover the truth. Direct, direct the project. Hang, hang the picture. Reserve, reserve a table. Save, save the document. Repeat, repeat the sentence. Win, win the prize. Support, support the cause. Blame, blame the cat. Catch, catch the ball. Save, save the cat. Reduce, reduce the costs. Imagine, imagine a world. Protect, protect the forest. Announce, announce the winner. Arrange, arrange the furniture. Beat, beat the eggs. Believe, believe the story. Bend, bend the wire. Borrow, borrow my pen. Claim, claim the reward. Compare, compare the prices. Complete, complete the form. Correct, correct the mistake. Create, create a file. Define, define the term. Describe, describe the scene. Destroy the castle. Divide the cake. Escape the trap. Fold the napkin. Grasp the handle. Illustrate the book. Include your name. Increase the speed. Install the app. Judge the contest. Lay the blanket. Lead the team. Leave the room. Lose the game. Meet your friend. Move the table. Notice the sign. Order the pizza. Plan the event. Play the guitar. Point the way. Present the award. Promise me. Record the song. Reject the offer. Release the bird. Remember my birthday. Remove the sticker. Replace the bulb. Report the issue. Request a refund. Review the document. Show the video. Suggest an idea. Transfer the money. Transport the goods. Update the software. Upgrade the system. Use the phone. Visit the museum. Wash the car. Wave the flag. Watch the movie. Weigh the vegetables. Whisper a secret. Whistle a tune. Wrap the gift. Zip the bag. Admire the view. Affect the result. Afford the trip. Arrange the meeting. Boil the eggs. Bury the treasure. Calculate the cost. Capture the moment. Charge the phone. Chase the dog. Clean the floor. Climb the hill. Collect the tickets. Command the troops. Communicate the message. Confirm the booking. Confuse the audience. Consider the facts. Consult a doctor. Contact the company. Convince the jury. Declare the winner. Deliver the news. Demonstrate the process. Develop a plan. Direct the traffic. Discover the secret. Divide the money. Download the file. Educate the youth. Encourage the students. Establish the rules. Evaluate the situation. Expand the company. Expect the best. Explain the situation. Export the data. Facilitate the event. Freeze the food. Ignore the noise. Improve the design. Influence the decision. Install the lights. Involve the team. Join the group. Justify the expense. Keep the secret. Kick the habit. Launch the product. Lift the box. Load the truck. Locate locate the address, lower the volume, maintain the car, manage the budget, mention the details, navigate the route, observe the stars, organize the files, paint the ceiling, perform the task, permit the entry, persuade the judge, place the book, postpone the meeting, predict the outcome, prepare the meal, press the button, prove the theory, publish the article, punish the thief, purchase the item, raise the stakes, receive the package, recognize the face, record the sound, reduce the risk, refund the payment, refuse the offer, register the account, reject the idea, remove the lid, repair the damage, replace the parts, require assistance, rescue the child, respect the elders, restore the building, restrict the access, retain the information, retrieve the data, reveal the plan, roll the dough, search the internet,